friends, neighbors, and pals. It's Tony. Tony who tours, Tony who cruises, right? But now we are going to go on a Tony tour to Tuscany. And I'm so excited about it. I can't wait to tell you all about it. So I'm inviting you to join me October 24th of this year as we journey to the iconic Italy with Colette. Now, we'll be enjoying a 7-night stay in Tuscany, and all these magnificent, wonderful villages are there, and the famous resort town nestled in the heart of the rolling hills of Tuscany. And we're going to explore the cultural treasures of Florence and Pisa and the lovely Lucca, and we're going to enjoy food and wine and old world charm, and we're even going to have a chef who prepares food for us and show us how to make this magnificent food that we're going to be eating. There's so much more going on, and I'm so excited about this. You normally see me on cruises and you normally join me on cruises, but this is one of the very first of Tony's tours and Tony Tours Tuscany. Colette handles all the details, the flights, the hotels, the meals, and the local experiences. Your only job is to have the time of your life with me. So please join us on this magnificent journey, and to learn more, please visit thevegasvoice.net. That's thevegasvoice.net, or call my dear friends Sharon and Stu over at the Vegas Voyagers at 516-485-3200. That's 516-485-3200, the Vegas Voyagers. I'm telling you, my friends, we're going to have a magnificent time. Just like we do on the cruises, we're going to have a magnificent time on Tony's Tours, Tony Tours Tuscany. I will see you there.
Is it possible it's more